Want to change the language in ChatGPT? Here's how to do it in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Go to Settings. First, open ChatGPT and head to the Settings menu. You can find it by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Language Preferences. Once you're in Settings, look for the Language section. Click on it and you'll see a list of available languages. Step 3. Choose your desired language. Now, simply select the language you want to use from the list. You'll be able to choose from a wide range of languages, including Spanish, French, German, and many others. Step 4. Save changes. After selecting your preferred language, save the changes. ChatGPT will now communicate with you in the language you've chosen. Step 5. Start using ChatGPT in your new language. That's it. Now you can chat with ChatGPT in your selected language. It's perfect for practicing or interacting with ChatGPT in a different language. And that's how you change the language in ChatGPT. Stay tuned for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.